welcome back to the channel.
Well, now it's time to get rid of 3,000 pumpkins.
We finished the cleanup, and I won the tractor pull. I won it in memory of this guy. Hey kids, have you ever wondered how much rain you've got? To measure it, today I'm going to show you. What I have here is a rain gauge. And whenever it rains, it comes down into the tube, and you've got 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, or 4 inch. Farmer Finn's gardening tip of the week.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.